So guys, sometimes the best solution is the simplest one. See, I've got this tote bag from alpaca that I love and use. There's one little problem. So when I carry this on my shoulder, the outer handle always inevitably slips off the shoulder. So guess what? Paracord to the rescue. Now I don't know about you, but I love it when I can fix and modify things with paracord. Because this simple nylon rope is so useful that it's perfect for solving a lot of my life's little problems. Maybe not the big ones like getting a girlfriend, but at least I can do this. All I'm going to need are a couple of knots, and in this case, a couple of diamond knots. Now I know this one isn't super easy, but trust me, just do it a few hundred times like I have, and you'll be able to tie it with your eyes closed. But if not, a double snake knot will work too, but these look much cooler. By the way, did you know the actual correct name for the diamond knot isn't actually diamond knot? According to the Ashley Book of Knots, which is basically the knot Bible, it's knot number 787, the knife lanyard knot. But anyhow, if you need a super in-depth guide about the diamond knot and how to master it, I have one for that, which I'll link in this video. But with these two diamond knots tied with two pieces of paracord, we're going to need one more knot, or rather hitch. And by the way, do you know the difference between a hitch and a knot? Well, a hitch is a fastening that is tied onto something like a post or a ring, while a knot is a fastening that is tied onto itself. So if the object is removed from the hitch, the fastening falls apart. So the more you know. The hitch we're going to need is the prussik hitch, or is it prussik? I like this one because it's simple and doesn't move around, unlike the lark's head, which is a bit more prone to shifting. So we just loop the diamond knot piece around once and then a second time. And now there's one key here for this to work. One side needs to be a little bit longer than the other. This is just so that the longer side creates a loop or space for the other diamond knot to go through and make the handle clasp. Also notice that I only clipped one of the diamond knot ends flush with the knot. That way you always know the flush cut knot is the knot that passes through the other side. And now we can link these handles together and they stay together. A simple solution for a simple problem. And now I'm off to hot yoga. If you want to see more videos on how paracord can solve small problems, check these out.